Good morning, good morning, good morning, guys. Good morning, good morning, good morning, guys. Dr. Drwendydearborne here from the Laws of Attraction in Action. And that's the Laws of Attraction in Action, .com, and of course the Facebook page and the Facebook group. I encourage you to check out both. Well, if you are... Good morning, good morning, good morning, guys. Dr. Drwendydearborne here from the Laws of Attraction in Action.com and the Laws of Attraction in Action, the Facebook group, and of course the page. I encourage you to check out both. If you are actually listening to this on YouTube, please subscribe and click the subscribe and click the notification button so that you are always notified when a new video on the Laws of Attraction is posted. So guys, real quick today, success. Many people want it and far too few people experience it. Many people want success, or they talk about success, and in truth and honesty, they don't believe that they can achieve success. So what I wanted to say to you this morning is this. If you are asking for success, and that's from whomever your chosen deity is, whomever. If you are asking for success, yet planning for failure, the thing that you are planning for is the thing that you will experience. You see, the thing that you are planning for is what is charged with your emotions, and I was going to say your emotional belief. So it's what's charged with your emotions, and your emotions actually create belief. The thing that you believe is what you will receive. Guys, you can't plan for success. You can't ask for success and plan for failure. If you are asking for success, you need to plan for success. This is why you hear them talk about the laws of attraction, and I said the laws. You heard me, the laws. It's not the law. This is why they talk about the laws of attraction, and they talk about live as if. That's part of the planning. You know, it's like irrespective of your circumstance, live as if. And you do this by going into your imagination. Live as if you have the thing that you want. So your bank balance says 0. So you're still as sick as a dog. So the relationship that you've always wanted isn't anywhere in sight. So what? You have nothing to lose and everything to gain from living as if. So if you are looking for success in some arena in your life, and that's not only about business and money, I'm talking about health, I'm talking about your spirituality, I'm talking about relationships, I'm talking about just planting a garden, I'm talking about what you consider to be successful in your life. If you are asking for success, then stop planning for failure. Live as though you have succeeded. So guys, I just wanted to share that with you real quickly. Of course, again, I'm Dr. Drwendydearborne from the Laws of Attraction in Action. Check it out. And guys, be very, very sure to click like and subscribe and that little notification bell so that you can receive the videos as I post them. On that note, guys, I'm Dr. Wendy D. Peace.